the squat. So this is done with 1 or 2 bells, and you first get into a rack position. I'm going to show you what the exercise looks like, then break it down. So the bell goes in the rack position, and then you squat. You make sure your feet are set to squat before you start to squat. So you're going to clean, adjust your feet, and then squat. Clean, adjust your feet as straight as you can. Squat is a great trunk stabilizer, strengthener. Great for your legs, hips, and glutes. The object of the squat is to keep a rigid spine without rounding over, so you keep your stomach nice and tight. Pull yourself down with your hips. From the side view, clean first, adjust your feet, pull yourself down with your hips, press out of it. If you can, hips below your knees. The pause at the bottom. Two bells. Everything's the same, except your feet are a little wider for the clean. There's a squat.